Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my kitchen. Garlic sauce, or dip, whichever one you want to call it. This is some of my elephant garlic, and I left it in a little bit long so it started to separate. So I'm actually going to use this up in this garlic dip, garlic sauce, whichever you want to call it. I have got some dill here. My plants are coming to the end and there's flowers everywhere. Well, flower seeds everywhere. But that'll mean that I don't have to plant it next year. Let's just take the skin off this. It's that big, you can't sort of do it how you would normally. Just see if I can get there. That's it. It's come out, but there's blemish on it, and that's what you get when you grow your own food. You do get little odd bits that are not too brilliant because they're bug damaged or they've just grown a bit wonky. But that's the elephant garlic. So I'm going to chop it up together with all this dill. Well, garlic is making my hands sticky. This is also annoying me. Two cloths slightly damp, so that should help stop it moving and bashing onto the counter. And I'll carry on with these again. And that will do. Someone's strumming their glass. Right, I have one of these bowls with one lid to it, and I use these bowls just for like tzatziki sauce or this garlic dip, and I want a little spoon. I'm going to start off with half this container, which is 300 ml, so there's about 150 ml in there. Now this is sour cream. I've made this with natural yogurt, homemade natural yogurt, and it tastes just as nice. I don't always have sour cream in, but I've always got yogurt in. And it's as simple as that. But taste it. Just see, because you might need some salt or pepper. So give it a taste and see. And more, a little bit. Actually, I think it needs just a bit of each. Exactly what it needed, and that's it. So that will be going with my tea. You can have it with anything. I'm having it with a salad and things like that. Garlic sauce or garlic dip. Bye.